Alright, hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast at C2C Mentors. I have Pavni with me. She's one of the C2C Mentors students, by the way, with a diverse profile. And she wrote only one exam, और वो था SNAP. एक महीना पढ़ाई किया, 93% लाया, and she got into SIIB. Pavni, tell me something about yourself, यार.
So I actually have pursued majors in economics in the undergrad. Then for past 1 year, I've been working into public speaking and French language training. Then it was almost a month wherein I took this exam. I started preparing for it, and that's how I'm going.
Okay, my question is, एक ही exam अगर देना था, तो SNAP ही क्यों choose किया?
It's just that in the first place, when I look at SIIB as a brand, I thought, okay, this is something which could give me that platform on which I can capitalize on. वो एक चीज़ था और November mid around था, I was already working into public speaking, French language training, lot of things. So I thought, okay, MBA करना है तो अभी full dedication के साथ जिसको मैं proper sitting दे सकती हूँ and considering the syllabi and the kind of exam it is, I thought, okay, this is something I can go for. And I took just one attempt, which was on 17th of December. That's how it was.
Okay, but what's your perspective? अगर मैं SNAP के बारे में बात करूँ कि बच्चों ने एंड में कैट के भी खराब हो जाता है, एंड मैथ समझ में नहीं आता, राइट? SNAP क्यों करना चाहिए? एज अ स्टूडेंट आपका पर्सपेक्टिव क्या रहेगा?
I think previously also I was interacting with you. जब मैंने आपको बोला था कि every time people talk about MBA, they think okay, lackey दिमाग में आता है कैट सुन के, SNAP है तो it's just SIIB. That's not the case. As I've already mentioned, सबका अपना कैलिबर होता है. A, you need to be self-aware about that. B, everybody has a different journey. So, as I said, some people can't give it another year. Others, कईयों का saturation आ चुका होता है. So, when it comes to SNAP, I think, again, Symbiosis as a brand, it gives you an amazing platform, even beyond SIIB and Pune or SCMHRD. Or for that, since I am an SIIB, why did I choose it? I just went through the website, went through the kind of platform it is giving me. I am currently pursuing my MBA in international business, and trust me, the kind of opportunities that we have here, if you have it in you, you can make it to all those.
You can kill it. That's for sure.
Yes,
that's for sure. All right. Now there are a lot of aspirants. They are gunning for SNAP. I want you to tell them कि आपने एक महीने में कैसे प्रेपरेशन किया and क्या क्या चीजें हैं SNAP प्रेपरेशन में जो उनको करना जरूरी है. And I hope C2C was also helpful during your journey.
C2C was completely helpful, honestly speaking. So every time I recollect my SNAP preparation, C2C is the first brand that comes to my mind. Okay, ये throughout it was a guideline for me. A, B, preparation कैसे start किया. So I made up my mind. Okay, I have to take this exam. Strategize किया, syllabus देखा. Saw a lot of YouTube videos. Sir के बहुत motivational videos देखे हैं, बहुत सारे. Then I enrolled. And post that, I started preparing for my GEPI. But throughout exam के लिए, I think so I was also when it comes to my mental health, it was not that great last year. मेरे लिए बहुत difficult होता था बैठना, रोज का sitting बना के रखना, and because of lot of reasons. But धीरे-धीरे वो चीज़ build किया. I was clear in my mind that I have to ace it, and accordingly targets set करो, daily targets. Be goal oriented, don't be results oriented. आप daily वो milestones meet करते जाओगे. Keep on practicing. बहुत सारे mocks लगाने हैं. That is something which is very important. And of course C2C से तो मैंने mocks लिए ही हैं. I remember. So they very well aligned with SNAP के हमारा जो actual exam आया था. That really helped me. Post that my GEPI journey started, which was again with sir.
Perfect. So how was your experience with respect to the GEPI? कैसे prepare करना चाहिए किसी ने अगर GEPI के लिए करना है तो?
So, you need to, again, there would be a decent number of people in that GEPI prep at SIR's platform. I remember बहुत बच्चे थे, but every time there was another, so session schedule होते थे. But every time there was a session, मेरे को कभी नहीं लगता था अच्छा अभी किया अभी इसमें नहीं जाना. In fact, there was a point I remember students started saying कि ये कुछ 2-3 लोग हैं जो हर सेशन में होते हैं, सर को ग्रुप में टैग करके हमें लिखना पड़ा कि don't be a part of it anymore. So we used to be a part of every session that's there. Just grab on every opportunity. Remember, you're there for yourself. You have to make the most of it. A, B, हमें individual mentors भी allowed हुए थे. So I remember Yash Kara was my mentor. जिसने for interviews also. I got great help. Individual sessions schedule हुए. Individually बताया कि अच्छा यहाँ पे आपको सर ने हमें हमारा tell me about yourself तक इतना structureize करके बताया था. I remember वो अभी तक भी it's there with me in my word doc. So that really helps. The more you practice practice when it comes to G. A lot of people face issue with communication or कैसे points लिखना है. So जो एक जनरल टॉपिक्स हैं जो भी करंट चल रहा है उस पर एक ब्रॉड आई रिमेंबर आपकी एक सेशन में वेयर यू सेड कैसे विमेन एम्प्लॉयमेंट इस पे मेजर बुलेट पॉइंट्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू डेटा इज समथिंग जो मेजरली चीज में मिसिंग होता है. सो जस्ट पुट दैट मैंने ऐसा अपना एक आई मेड दिस बुकलेट तो वो पॉइंटर्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कॉमनैलिटी वो हर जगह हेल्प करते थे बिकॉज ऑफ हिम. भी सर ने थोड़ा बहुत मोटिवेट किया है विच इज़ वाई द फर्स्ट टाइम आई स्टेप्ड इन C2C आई रिमेंबर मैंने आपको इस दिन भी बोला था कि सर Abhi, I'm here. I want to be at that side where I want to mentor with you, your students.
She manifested that actually.
Yeah,
Even
I
this
did.
video, I think.
I did. That's right.
Fantastic. No, why I'm asking you because दो चीजें हैं guys. पहली बात SIIB में 99% LS भी मिलेंगे, 99 के ऊपर वाले मिलेंगे, 98 वाले के ऊपर भी मिलेंगे. She cracked it with 93%. That's a big
One
deal.
attempt.
One attempt. That's a big deal because उसका GDP बहुत तगड़ा था. And दूसरी चीज ये है, कट ऑफ तो क्लियर हुआ तो नो डाउट अबाउट दैट. स्नैप का या सिम्बी का एक एडवांटेज है पावनी अगर इफ यू कैन ऐड समथिंग 50% वेटेज स्नैप एग्जाम 50% वेटेज जीडीपी है तो वो एक अनदर चांस मिलता है बच्चों को बाउंस बैक करने का. अगर आपका स्नैप इतना अच्छा नहीं गया तो भी आप जीडीपी में फाड़ सकते हो. वी हैड स्टूडेंट्स स्कोरिंग 40+, वी आल्सो हैव अ स्टूडेंट हु स्कोर्ड 50 on 50. तो चांसेस आपके बहुत ज्यादा बनते हैं. वुड यू एग्री ऑन दिस?
Yeah, that's right. I agree. Exam में भी considering कि ठीक है 93% आया people think that okay it's 93 या 13 but वहाँ exam में snap the way it's structurized उसमें बहुत strategically you need to answer. आप
Right.
ऐसे हर question नहीं कर सकते हो. So considering one attempt in that one shot, you know, getting into SIIB was not at all a cakewalk. Also, एक और चीज़ after that, like once I got my interview calls because I filled it for like almost 4-5 colleges and I converted all the interviews. So in one go. Thing is, the way Snap has been designed, it is advisable. ये मैंने अपनी experience से सीखा कि आप at least 2 attempts तो दोगे if you genuinely want to ace it. Because अगर एक महीने में इस preparation से I could have been here, then you know वो structureize इस तरह से किया गया है कि आप at least 2 attempts दो. That is what I advise.
Perfect. So today I visited SIIB and she's killing it यहाँ पे भी. And I would love to understand कि मैंने हर्ष को भी पूछा था how is SIIB, peer group कैसा है, बच्चों की quality यहाँ पे कैसी है. You can give us some idea about it because a lot of people are gunning for SIIB.
SIIB is honestly, it is here every individual is a work in progress. Everybody I see, recently I saw this one batchmate of mine, she won this competition from with ITC. So she got a SIP from there. I myself got it.
तो SIIB offer हो गया.
Yes. So people here, they're always on their toes. That is something, the kind of crowd I'm getting, why I chose SIIB. Because I knew the ones who would have missed out on probably, you know, other colleges, they would be here. So if you're also, it is also about the kind of crowd you are choosing. So if you make that right choice, you surround yourself in that environment, SIIB gives you an amazing platform. And as I've already mentioned, when it comes to brands, when it comes to opportunities, trust me, there's cutthroat competition. So do not consider the percentile, okay, it's 90, it's not a good, it is an amazing, amazing college. The question is if you have it in your mind.
True that. आप अपनी मतलब आप ability से तो आ ही जाओगे, but आपको यहाँ पे हासिल करना पड़ेगा, फिर आप survive कर लोगे because यहाँ का जो crowd है ना guys, वो SIIB पुणे और SMH ना point से miss करके आया है. तो competition तो यहाँ पे तगड़ा है, but it's one of the best B school under Symbiosis umbrella you should vouch for. And Pavni, she is also going to be there. With C2C, she'll be mentoring you, she'll be guiding you, so you will be seeing her quite often.
It would be a pleasure, honestly.
Thank you so much, Pavni, for giving some time. And guys, do hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you.